Hello friend, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the factorization of polynomial expression by using the completing square method. Here we have a few questions. We are following here class 9 books in textbook unit number 4.2 question number 3 to solve these type of question. Here we have x to the power 4 plus 4 by 4. So here we have in part 1 we have the type of mistake which is by square, but if we have to make the factorization of this type of question, we have here is by4. So we will simplify like this question is using by4. So here we have y x square x to the power 4 y4 y 4 multiplied by y4. So now we cannot make a perfect square here. First we have to add or subtract some terms here to make a perfect square. So here we have x whole square x square to the power square plus 2 from the formula, and after that x square is here is a and the b is 2y whole square, and after that we have 2y square power 2. Now we are adding this term, so we have to minus this term as well, like this way, x square 2y square is. Now we will simplify x square whole square plus 2 to the 4 x square y square plus 2y square whole square. And this term is 4x square and y square. And after that we will making this term is this way. Okay, we can give the some comments here, adding and subtracting 4x square y square in this term. Now we will simplify x square plus 2y square is whole square minus, and this term is 2xy is whole square. Now we have a is here, a square minus b square. So we will simplify this way, x square plus 2y square plus 2xy, and after that we have x square plus 2y square minus 2xy, right? Now we will arrange this term x square plus 2xy plus 2y square and x square minus 2xy plus 2y square. So these are the factor of this question, right? Now we have question number 2, part 2. Part 2 is 36 x to the power 4 z to the power 4 plus 9 y 4, right? Here we have this question. So we have to make first making perfect square like this way. 36 x square y z square, and square term is here plus 3y square is square is here. Now we will make like a and b. So we will like put like this basic x z square whole square plus 2 from formula, and a is 6x square z square and b is 3y square plus 3y whole square minus, we are adding here is 2 this term, so we will again subtract this term, making balance of this expression. Now adding and subtracting 2 6x 3y square So here we will make perfect square here, 6x square z square plus 3y square whole square minus and 2, 2 6 are 12 and 12 3 are multiplies 2 multiplied by 6 is 12, 12 multiplied by 3 is 36. So 36 x square, y square and z square. Now we have reference here a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a square plus 2ab a plus b whole square. Now we will simplify. Is here a square and this one is b square. So we will put formula is here. 6 is the 36, 6 x, y, z. And here we have 6 x square, z square, 3y square minus 6 x, y, z. So the answer is this one. This is the factorization of this question. Now we will solve part 3. Part 3 is 4t to the power 4 plus 625. So here we have 2 like this way and 25 is okay. Here we have solved like this way. Now we have to, this is A and this is B. So here we have to make a perfect square. We will write like this way, plus formula A is 2t square, B is 25. Here we have 25 whole square minus 2. Because we are adding this term, so we will subtract similar term. Me now check करवाना. Okay, here we have, okay, here we have simplify this term 2t square whole square 2 to the 4, 4, 500 t square, right? This one is 25 whole square minus 100 t square. Here we will give the reference adding and subtracting 100 t square is here. So here we have, we will make perfect square formula t 2t square plus 25 whole square. Now we have 10t whole square. So this is A and this is B. And again, we will give first the reference here. We have A, B whole square, right? Now we will simplify like this. A square minus B square. So answer is 2t square plus 25 plus 10t and 2t square plus 25 minus 10t. So this is the answer of this question. I hope you understand. The now last question is 4t to the power t4 plus 1. So please solve this question by yourself and give the answer in the comment box. So we will see like how you understand this type of question. Thank you for watching. That's it from today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and like and share with others.